We've built some really beautiful slideshow and gallery functionality into Pootle Pagebuilder Pro. So this is one that I've just quickly built. I'm going to show you how easy it is to change these and to manipulate them. And if I just go to live edit here, you'll see how I built the page. So all I've done is add some text up here, and then I've had this this nice ribbon gallery underneath here. So if I show you how to edit this, go to photos now. This is where you can change everything. So you'll see I've got a slider selected up here, and then I've just slider animation as a ribbon. So let me just show you the other ones here. We've got 4: fade, slide, Ken Burns, and ribbon. And the other thing you can do is stretch to the full width of the screen, which I'm just going to turn off to start with, and you'll see now how this slider will now just change to a normal slider. So all it's done is basically reformat it, but it looks beautiful. You can change the animation speed in here as well, everything you want to do. Just show you how some other options you've got within your sliders. So I'll go back to photos. You'll see I've got these other options here. And also you can add your images, you can change the order of your slideshows as well. But let me show you the normal slide. Again, just go back here. So that's very simply, instead of fading, which the other one was, that's just a nice slider. And it'll slide automatically. I'll show you one more. So this is a really nice one. This is the Ken Burns. Excuse me. So you'll see this will actually fade in and out. So it's almost like moving in 3D space. So it's a very, very subtle effect for a slider, but it looks beautiful. Really stands out. And again, I'll show you one more. And the final one was the one I started with, which was the ribbon one. And there you go, see how that's a nice ribbon. And again, if you want to make this full width, that's literally one click. I go back into photos, and you just stretch to, select stretch to the full width of the screen, and you'll see that now will stretch to the full width of the screen. Just looks stunning. Once you're happy, just click update to the top. And there we go, there's my nice ribbon sitting in the middle of my normal page builder page. So that's how you can create beautiful slideshows. I'm going to move on to next how you can create galleries. We've also added the ability for you to add beautiful galleries within your pages and your posts with Pootle Pagebuilder Pro. So here's one I've just created, and I've just put this in within this page. And when you click on these, you'll see they open in a nice light box, and then you can click through like a slideshow. So it's a really beautiful effect, very simple to do. Let me just show you some of the options in here. So if I go to photos here, here's the gallery I've just created. So you'll see I haven't chosen slider, I've chosen gallery, and then I've just uploaded my photos, and again you can change these around if you want to. And then I've just chosen the gallery type. So we've got normal grid, masonry, or photo listing. I've just chosen the normal grid. You select the number of columns you want here. So I've chosen 3 at the minute, and I stretch it to the full width of the screen. So let me just show you the columns here. So if I select 2 columns, you'll see that this will automatically change when I update it. There we go, there's my 2-column layout. So very, very striking, and super quick to manipulate, so you can see exactly what you're doing as soon as you've done it. Let me just show you a few nice things in here. The other thing that you can do with your grid, change the columns to 4. So I'm going to have this not stretching to the full width of the screen, and there you go, there's a nice simple gallery, and again just update it. And again, these are still linked to the light boxes, so they'll still open up in the light box, and they're super fast. So it's a very simple way of creating a nice grid gallery, but having complete control over it. I'll just show you one more of the options that we've built into this, and which is a really nice one. It's the gallery type here, and it's photo listing. So we've got masonry as well, but photo listing is very nice. And what that does, when I show you this, can you see how it'll add this little end user toggle over here? So when they click on that, it'll actually expand out. So it's a really nice way of showing your photos in a concise way. But if users want to expand them, you're giving them the ability to, with this lovely toggle here, just to quickly expand them out so they can see the photos in greater beauty and detail. Okay, so that's a look at slideshows and galleries that are built into Pootle Pagebuilder Pro.